Dan, here's your 363 small block Ford. Just got that running it. Give you a description of this combination. This is our Shelby combination, obviously. It's got a Shelby all aluminum block. Got the Shelby cylinder heads on it. Signature valve covers. Obviously Borla stack injection. Great system. Fuel management. Holley Terminator X. Great system. Yeah, it's got the blacked out marks. Alternator, make sure it's charging. Got the AD pan. The period is correct for that. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,500, 445 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peaks torque 466. Really nice in there. Peaks horsepower 518. Rated at 530, so the front end's about 15, so everything's good. Get her off there, get in the crate. Come your way. Have a great day.